Hello all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lish the Baker, and on today's episode we are making pumpkin bread. Pumpkin bread is delicious year-round, but it's especially festive during the fall Thanksgiving season. So whether you're looking for a great Thanksgiving side dish or you're wanting to just make something to spice up your fall breakfasts or sandwiches, keep watching to learn how to make this delicious bread. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below if you decide to make this recipe and let me know how it goes for you.